How not to lose the zero-sum money game. The zero-sum money game? It is all about balancing your gain by another's loss. It is all about equaling all gains and losses to make their final sum zero. Can you ever lose this game? Yes, you can. Particularly if you lose more to gain less. That happens to you all the time. Consider these situations. You need all that you fancy, or your dreams are not worth chasing, or your goals are mere guesses. Is there a way out of this? Yes, there is. Only if you listen to these gems. Profile your dreams with precision. Grade them by their utility points. Strike the right permutation and combination. Focus on the combo with a perfect 100%. Yet many of you make mistakes. You keep losing the zero-sum money game. That is because you do not realize the truth. Money is a zero-sum game. You hype up expectations around your money and raise them beyond 100, which means you are chasing more dreams, more than what you can afford to chase. The result can only be catastrophic. You end up mired in lavish lifestyles and wallowing woefully in debts. Remember the rules of the game. The money you have is more important than the money you do not have. The money you spend needs more care than the money you would like to spend. The former is a bird in your hands. The latter is one in a dreamy bush. Stop dreaming about the money you want. Start caring about the money in your bank. Sure, you can never then lose the challenging zero-sum money game.